Hey sub family, welcome back to another video guys. So today I'm going to be doing a review on this Ozark Trail 21 piece survival kit. So let's go ahead and get straight to the video guys. I am going to review this Ozark Trail 21 piece camping survival kit for you guys. Now I'm not going to review this stuff right here, but I just had it right here so you guys can see the cool stuff that Ozark Trail has. But this is basically the kit right here. So we're going to go ahead and lay this down, but first you want to go ahead and take this strap off just like that, and then we're going to go ahead and unzip it. After you unzip the survival pack, this is what you are presented with. Ozark Trail did a good job of organizing everything in here. As you can see, I'm going to lift up this little flap. You have some stuff in the zipper there. But guys, I'm going to be 100% honest with you about everything that is in this survival kit, and I'm not going to sugarcoat anything, guys. So we're going to go ahead and start out with this head mosquito net right here, and we're going to go ahead and just open that up. So you got a little drawstring mechanism there. But guys, this is what it looks like. I can say it. Let me see real quick. Honestly, guys, I don't know who would want to put this on their face to prevent mosquitoes from getting in their face, but to each their own. I don't think I would use that. I can honestly say a mosquito can definitely bite you through that cheap netting there. This is really cheap. So that's one thing down. And we got a survival knife here. As you can see on the back, it has a little belt clip, which is really nice. And then you have a seat belt cutter and a window breaker right there, guys. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, that's nice. It opened up pretty good. That's a nice little knife. Now the closing part is a little bit hard to do. I definitely recommend this knife. Most survival kits come with cheaper knives. I imagine that it would cut through certain things. You know, I don't think it will cut everything. Like, you know, like if you need to cut a fish or something like that, it probably would work for that. Or maybe sharpen a stick or something like that and to make a spear. I mean, I don't know what you're going to use it for, but definitely for those specific things you could use this for, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and lay that to the side. Now we're going to move on to the next thing here. So we got this little bracelet right here, and that's pretty cool. It has a little compass built into it, which it works accurately. And also it does have a whistle. And also I noticed something on here as well, guys. In the middle here, you see this little metal piece, and then it looks like a fire striker. That's definitely what that looks like, guys. Now, don't say it on the back of the packaging, but I assume that's what that is. But that's a cool little bracelet. You can use this paracord right here for tying up a tent in the ground or something like that. And we're going to go ahead and put that to the side. That's decent quality, though. I honestly can say that's decent quality. It feels like it's going to hold up to what it needs to hold up to. Let me put it on. So, guys, that's how it looks when it's on. It's quite big. I mean, you would have to have quite a big arm to fit that on your arm. But, yeah, guys, it works for what it works for. And I'm going to go ahead and lay that to the side now. And now we're going to go ahead and get into the next thing. And it looks like we have a flashlight here. We're going to check to see if it has any batteries inside of this flashlight. So as you can see, guys, they did not include any battery. This is pretty much how it looks. And then it got a little belt clip on the back. And then you got the button right there. You can extend it just like this. That's pretty cool, guys. I like that. So we're going to go ahead and put that to the side. And it is good quality. It feels like it's good quality. It feels like it will hold up. So I can say that. Now we got some glow sticks in here. This is what you get in this kit, which I guess this could be useful depending on what situation you're in. It comes in a little plastic bag here. I can't show you how bright they are, obviously, because it's daytime outside, but you know, that's a plus right there, guys, that they put that in there. And it looks like right here we have a little Ozark spoon, guys. Now that is pretty neat. Look at that. That is a little spoon, or a spork. We could call that a spork, because I'll tell you what, that definitely looks like little teeth up there. That's funny, guys. But it looks like a whistle on the end. Let me see. They put a whistle in the sport, bro. That is super funny. Yeah, that's pretty good quality though, guys. That's quality right there. I'm not gonna lie about that. And then you get a little piece of rope here. I guess you can tie this right there to your fork to hang it from a tree branch or something if you want to do that. And we're gonna go ahead and lay that to the side. Now, that is good quality. Now, the whistle thing on the end of it, that's pretty funny, guys. I've never seen that in my entire life. But we're gonna go ahead and move on. We're gonna see what's back here. Okay, it looks like we got some stuff right here. Let me see if there's anything in there. Okay, so a lot of empty space. I can say that 100%, guys. A lot of empty space. So it looks like right here we got some twigs to start some fire with here, which this is really useful. I mean, guys, look at that. I mean, they include 4 in there. That's really good. You can split that in half with the knife, or cut it in half, I should say. That's pretty nice that they included that. Now we're going to get into this little package right here. Now I just unzipped that, and then we're going to open this up and see what this is about right here. It looks like a little wallet. As you can see, it says Ozark Trail at the bottom. And we're going to pull whatever it is in here out of there. So yeah, guys, this is pretty cheap. This little pouch right here, 100%. Oh, look at that. It just broke. That is super cheap right there, guys. It definitely just broke on me. Wow. Okay, so you got a little multifunctional tool right here, which I don't know how useful that would be, honestly, guys. But it's stainless steel. It says, I guess you could use that if you want to. I don't see any. Okay, so we got what this tool is used for right here. It says multi-purpose pocket survival tool. It's a can opener. It has a screwdriver, a ruler, a cap opener, and stuff like that. If you want to pause it, you can see what is on that card right there. And it says it's stainless steel on the back, and it gives you a diagram on what that looks like. I guess that's pretty cool. The packaging, or whatever you want to call this, the little pouch they put this in, is super cheap, guys. Like, honestly, wow. They should have put that in something a little bit better. And now we got another whistle. This is what this looks like. It looks like a whistle to me. I'm not 100% sure. Guys, we have another whistle in this bag. I cannot believe how many whistles they put in this thing. I mean, I don't know why you would need so many whistles, guys, but this one is actually louder than the other two. So let's go ahead and give this a try. I mean, hey, it's okay. I mean, that's pretty cool, guys, I guess. And then you got a thing to cut branches with in here. This is what this is right here. This is, wow, look at that. So you got a stainless steel branch cutter, I assume, right here. Now that would be very handy in a survival kit for sure, guys. You definitely need one of those. We're going to go ahead and move on to this next item here. And I assume this is like a water bottle clip or something like that. It says it's not for climbing in small print right there. You really can't see that. In my opinion, it's a little bit useless. I don't think I would use that in a survival situation, but I'm going to go ahead and lay that to the side, and we're going to move on to the next thing. We got a pair of scissors in here, guys. Scissors, okay? Let's go ahead and check the quality of these things out. I honestly have a lot to say about these scissors right here. Do I think this is important for a survival kit? No, I do not. Are they sharp? Yes, they are. They do cut very well. They are a little bit cheap, but do I recommend these in a survival kit? No, I do not. All you need is a sharp knife, to be honest with you. These are pointless. I don't know why they put this in here. It's kind of a waste of space. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put that to the side now, guys. And now we're going to move on to this right here. It looks like we got some more rope, you know, and you can definitely use that. That always comes in handy for many things. Now we got this Ozark Trail package in here, guys. And it's like a little case, and it says Ozark Trail right there. I guess you can call it like a little pack or a package or whatever. And we're going to go ahead and open that up. It has a little Velcro strap right there. So it looks like we have a mini shovel here, guys. That is, okay, let's open this up because this is funny, bro. Ozark Trail is highly surprising right now. We got 2 pieces to this shovel, guys. So I'm assuming this end screws into the shovel to make the handle. So we're gonna go ahead and screw that in. Feels like it's aluminum. And you do have the Ozark Trail right here that is embossed onto the shovel or printed, whatever you want to say. And then you tighten the end of it up right here. Just like this. And now you have a sturdy shovel. Guys, even though it's made out of aluminum, I can say that this shovel would honestly do the job, guys. And it looks like you have something right here to kind of cut like branches off of trees and stuff like that. And it looks like a little bottle opener on the other side of the shovel there. But overall, good quality. This is nice how it breaks down. I absolutely would love this in my survival pack for sure. So we're going to go ahead and lay that down and move on to the next things here. So we got this. Honestly, guys, I have no clue what that is. It kind of looks like something you would clip on your bottle and then put this on your belt so you can hold your bottle. I'm assuming that's what that is because that's what that looks like for sure, guys. So overall, decent quality for this. It does say Ozark Trail on it. Okay, now we got the fire starter here. Let's pull this out. Okay, so you get some rope right there. And then, okay, guys, so it's going to work for what it's going to work for, I guess. I mean, that's pretty good quality. Unfortunately, I had to change locations because it was way too loud. There was a lot of kids playing and cars driving back and forth. So I changed locations. As you can see, I'm standing up, but I'm going to continue talking about the last 2 items in the pack. So we got the flint here. Like I said, it's a good quality flint. It works great. I believe so, because every survival kit needs this, guys. That's 100% a fact. And last but not least, guys, we got this little multi-tool right here, and it got several things in it. And I'll go ahead and flip these things out so you can see. So it has a stainless steel knife right there. Then you have a bottle opener. Then you have another bottle opener. Wow, 2 bottle openers, that's never good, too many. And see, guys, this is exactly why I said to you before that they did not need to include a pair of scissors because it is a waste of space. It's because look at that. A pair of scissors right there. I mean, this is a multifunctional tool. This is something I would definitely want in my survival kit for sure. You got a cork opener there. That's kind of useless. You got a screwdriver. You never know when you're going to need that. And then you also got a nail filer. I guess that's what that is. That's funny, but yeah, you might need that for sure. So do I think this is worth $30? No, I do not. Because you can create a better survival kit at home just buying different things and buying a pack and putting them things in a pack, guys. This is what I think about the Ozark Trail survival kit. Yeah. So I hope you liked the video on the Ozark Trail 21-piece survival kit. And if you could, I appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe. And I just want to let you guys know Jesus is King. God bless you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one.